Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to use Philippine withdrawal method on Lollipop Live app. So the first thing you have to do is log into your Lollipop Live account. The next thing is to click on the Me icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you're going to see a new screen where you have to click on the T point option. So right here on my T point new screen, I just have to click on the cash out option and click on the withdrawal option. So I click on the currency type. Now I just have to click on the Philippine withdrawal method. Just click on PH withdraw. Now select the payment method. So we have two payment methods there. You just have to select the particular one you want to make use of. I'll be selecting Pamaya, and now you can now type in your account number, your name, your phone number, and your email. If you type it correctly, the option for withdrawal will pop out. You just have to click on it in order to withdraw your USD to your account. So guys, I hope this was able to guide you on how to use Philippine withdrawal method on Lollipop Live app. If this video was helpful, to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.